Hi, so today I'll be demoing the measure level and trigger level functions on the oscope program. So first we have my discharge and charging curve. So I'll be measuring the voltage between 2 points of the discharging curve, as you can see here. So first of all, we have the trigger function here and the measure function here. And the trigger function is not set at the source that I want. I use the analog 0 port and it says S8, so we have set that to trigger source at 0, hit send. Okay, and the measure level is already set, the source at 0. Then as you can see, the level for the trigger is at 200, which is this one right here, this yellow one, and the measure level is at 50, which is right here, this purple line right here. So I'm going to use these two lines to measure the voltage. So I want to measure a voltage about 4.9 for the first one. And before that, I'd like to mention that this is scaled, the scale of this is 0 to 255, which is corresponding to 0 to 5 volts. And if I want to measure a voltage of 4.9, if you do the math, that will come to 250 out of 255. So 250, so let me use the trigger function. I can use TL at 250 to get a voltage reading of 4.9. And you can see the yellow line just jumped up to about exactly 250, which is what I wanted. And so the lower bound, I would want a voltage of 0.07. And if we do the math for that, in this scale, that would be approximately 4. So we can use the measure level function now, ML at 4. Perfect. So you can see the purple line now is down here. Okay, and we have this here and this here. I'm gonna measure this at the falling. So this is the let's see, this is the trigger function. So trigger at falling. And here, right here is the measure function. So you want to measure at rising. Okay, we'll be measuring it about here, all right, as this is about to go up. And then what's pretty cool is we have this green icon right here, which shows the time. 0.0251 is the time. 0.0251 seconds is the time period between this point right here, shown by my cursor, all the way to right here. So it shows the time between these two voltage points. So that will be it. Thank you.